Yeah, this is a short tutorial on how to create an account with coingecko. So now once you download the app from Google Play Store or iOS Store, you now click to install. So now after the installation, you now land on this platform. So right now, if you want to create an account with your which is your Gmail, your Google ID or your Apple ID, you proceed and you click But if you want to create with your Gmail and password, you now proceed and you click on create with Gmail and password. So at this point, you now insert your email address here. So now you now navigate and put your password. So the password must be 8 character, one uppercase, one lowercase, one number and special number. So now let's proceed. So right now, once you are through, you click on create. So while the system is loading, do not forget to subscribe, like and share if this video is helpful to you. So right now the security check for you to say I'm a human. So at this point, you now go to your email to check and to log in. So let's go to our email right here. You see this is your message. You now click at the button, at this button to confirm your account. So right now our account is ready. So if you want to turn on notification, you click on turn on. You turn it on and you now proceed. You can skip this and you now click on finish. So right now your account is ready. You click at markets. So this is helpful. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share.